Now we'll study about series combination of resistances. So let us say that we have three resistors R1, R2 and R3, and they are connected like this, that on one side one resistor is connected to another resistor, and on the other side also it is connected to some other resistor, a separate resistor. So such kind of structure is called series structure or series combination. So we can have these three resistors R1, R2 and R3 connected like this, and it will be called a series combination. Now let us say that it is connected to a battery of EMF E, and the current flowing through the circuit is I. Now since we have a single branch, that means this current I will not be separated, it will not be divided into various values. So the same current I will pass through the three resistors, and then it will enter the battery from this side. So that we can say that the current remains same for all resistors. So using this, we can find out that the potential drop on each of the resistor will be different. Let us say the potential drop on R1 is V1, potential drop on R2 is V2, and potential drop on R3 is V3. Then V1 by using Ohm's law can be written as I into R1. Similarly, V2 can be written as I R2, and V3 can be written as I R3. Now since the total potential difference across all the resistors in this series combination, the sum of these will be equal to E. These all the sum of V1, V2 and V3 cannot be less than E or cannot be greater than E. Both the scenarios are impossible because of the conservation of charges. So that means that V1 plus V2 plus V3 should be equal to the potential of the battery or electromotive force of the battery E. Now we can substitute these values. Now after substituting, we can take I as common, and inside the bracket we will have R1 plus R2 plus R3 equal to E or it will be equal to E upon I. Now E upon I is the total potential difference across all the resistors divided by the current flowing through the circuit. So this will be equal to, we can say it is equal to Req or the equivalent value of the resistor. That means in a series combination, equivalent resistance equals to the sum of all the resistors connected to the circuit. Now as we see this, we can easily deduce from here that in series combination, the equivalent resistor will always be greater than the maximum value of resistances connected. That means suppose if R1 was 1 ohm, R2 was 2 ohms and R3 was 3 ohms connected in series, then R equivalent will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, which will be equal to 6 ohm. So that means the R equivalent is greater than the maximum value, which is 3. So when we are combining resistors in the series combination, the overall resistance will increase and the value of the equivalent resistor will be greater than the greatest value of the resistors connected in this particular combination.